To understand the benefits of using Bill4Time Xero integration, let's break down what each platform offers and how they work together. Bill4Time is a time and billing software designed for professional services firms, allowing users to track time, generate invoices, and manage billing. Xero, on the other hand, is a cloud-based accounting system that provides a comprehensive platform for managing financial accounts, invoices, and payments. The integration of Bill4Time and Xero is designed to streamline financial management by automating the transfer of data between the two systems. This means that time and billing data from Bill4Time can be seamlessly synced with Xero, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Using Bill4Time Xero integration offers several key benefits. Firstly, it saves time by automating the invoicing process, allowing users to generate invoices in Bill4Time and have them automatically sync with Xero. This also ensures that financial data is accurate and up to date, providing a clear picture of a firm's financial performance. Another benefit is improved cash flow management. By integrating Bill4Time with Xero, users can track payments and invoices in real time, enabling them to identify areas where cash flow can be improved. This also helps to reduce outstanding invoices and improve client payment times. In terms of best practices, it's essential to configure the integration correctly to ensure that data is synced accurately. This includes setting up the correct mapping of accounts, taxes, and payment terms between Bill4Time and Xero. Regularly reviewing and reconciling data is also crucial to ensure that financial records are accurate and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, firms can maximize the benefits of using Bill4Time Xero integration. This includes increased efficiency, improved financial management, and enhanced cash flow. Overall, the integration of Bill4Time and Xero provides a powerful tool for streamlining financial management and improving business performance.